Hey there, folks. If you're a PNC Bank customer tired of driving to the branch just to deposit a check, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of using PNC's mobile deposit feature right from your smartphone. It's quick, convenient, and saves you tons of time, perfect for our busy lives. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the PNC mobile app installed on your iOS or Android device, and of course, be logged into your account. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your app store and get it now. It's free for PNC customers. Once you're all set up, open the app and log in with your credentials. Look for the Deposit or Mobile Deposit option, usually found on the home screen or under a menu like Accounts or Services. Tap on it to get started. Now, grab your check and endorse it by signing the back. That's key. Next, the app will prompt you to take photos of your check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area for clear images. Hold your phone steady and align the check within the on-screen guides. Snap a photo of the front first, then flip it over for the back if required. After that, enter any necessary details, like the amount of the check, and double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Once everything looks good, hit the Submit button. The app will process your deposit, and you'll get a confirmation on your screen. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always use a clear, flat surface for photos, ensure your check is legible, and keep an eye on your account for the funds to appear. It might take a day or so. If you run into any errors, like a blurry photo, just retake it before submitting. And there you have it. Depositing a check with PNC Mobile Deposit is that straightforward. No more long lines or gas money wasted. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.